Hi there! In this quick demo, I'll show you how to generate a sales report for any WooCommerce instance using our Ksolves WooCommerce Connector Module in Odoo. Let's jump in. First, from the Odoo home menu, go to WooCommerce Store and select the instance you want to work with. Here we've got multiple instances, each with its own order history. Head to the reporting menu to generate a report, then click on Sales Report. Select your desired instance, hit Create Report, and just like that, the report is ready and downloaded. Here's the generated sales report. It shows 13 orders, complete with details like order name, total amount, discount, tax, order status, delivery count, and invoice status. Everything you need, organized and export ready. If this helped, give us a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below. We're listening. Thanks for watching.